Hi guys, this is Miss Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Today we have a new job update for all the freshers and experienced graduate. The important part of this job update is that this job will be a permanent work from home job. It means you can start and you can continue your day-to-day work from your home location only. No need to visit any location. Also, this job is for the freshers graduate and any graduate can apply for this role. So, if you want to get all the details regarding the job, I am requesting you, please do not skip any part of this video. In this video, I will explain how you can apply for this job and how you can get the call from the HR team. So, please stay tuned with the video and check all the detailed parts so that you can prepare your resume, you can apply for this job and you can easily clear this work from home job. So now, without wasting any time, let's jump into the screen and let's discuss about the job.
Hello everyone, this is Miss Sangram. You are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Today there is another job opportunity from Amazon company. The job role is associate and it comes under ML data operations domain. So if you know about data operations, if you have knowledge or interest on data driven operations, then you can apply for this role. The location is mentioned here, Hyderabad, and they have provided all the details here. As you all know, Amazon is a leading multinational company and it's a product based company as well. So if you have completed your graduation, you can apply for this opportunity. Below they have mentioned all the details about the company and also they have mentioned the job responsibilities. So they have mentioned the associate has to watch several hundred videos in a shift and provide responses by following goals on accuracy, speed and write acceptable practices. Basically your work will be train the AI agents or the ML algorithms which the developers are developing. So you will watch all the contents and you will feed all the data to the AI or ML agents so that it will work properly. Below they have mentioned the details or the requirements of the candidate. So willingness to work in a non-tech role, and also contract duration they have mentioned 6 months. Then ability to audit image, video, text based jobs, ability to identify details from blurry, less sharp videos to provide correct response, willingness to work in incremental targets, goals, fast pace implementation and consistent performance, ability to work in rotational shifts. And if you don't have any knowledge on that, I'll recommend you to work on the data entry and data analytical skills. And if you have a basic knowledge or understanding on machine learning or basic understanding on generative AI, that will be an added advantage for this role. Okay, but these are not mandatory. Once you are onboarded to this role, they will train you and after that they will onboard you in the project. Here they have mentioned all the details about your role. It will be a 9-hour shift and the shift timing would be subject to change every 3 to 4 months or as per business requirement. And in case associate is working in night shift allowance will be provided. Also weekly offs, you will get 2 consecutive days off, not necessarily Saturday or Sunday, but in a week you will work for 5 days and 2 days will be off for you. Okay, below they have mentioned the basic qualification, which is bachelor's degree. So if you have completed your bachelor's degree on last year 2025 or this year, then you can apply for this role. Below they have mentioned that it will be a virtual opportunity for this all area, which is Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Mumbai and AP, Andhra Pradesh. So if you want to get the work from home opportunity as well, Amazon is ready to provide you the laptop and the internet allowance, as it is mentioned here, virtual job opportunity. So that's all about the job details. If you want to apply for this role, you need to click on the apply now button and you need to attach your resume, provide all of your details and apply online. If you need any help or support, you can ask me in the comment section, and if you are new to this channel, you can subscribe the channel to get regular job updates. I'll attach the link in the video description so that you can easily apply for this role. So just check the video description once you are done with the video. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.
All about today's job update. If you find anything informative in this video, please do a like and subscribe to this channel and support us. Also, if you have any query or any kind of discussion, you can follow me in Instagram. My Instagram ID will be present in the description box, so you can directly DM me for any kind of discussion. Also, I will provide all the job links in the description box. You can directly redirect to the apply page in the job portal. So for today, I am signing out. Take care. Bye.